This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remax Ability Plus. Welcome to this great home in popular countryside. Engineered hardwood floors in entry through kitchen and morning room. 42 cabinets, island bar west/pull-out drawers, walk-in pantry and glass tile backsplash make creating a special dinner lots of fun. Open floor plan for entertaining. Great room west/gas log fireplace. Slider off morning, sun room, to paver patio and fenced backyard. Master suite west/deluxe bath, garden tub plus separate shwr, and walk-in closet west/closet organizers. 2 more bedrooms plus loft up as well. 9 ceilings on first floor, 80-gallon water heater and cul-de-sac curb location on 0.30 acre lot are just a few other bonuses. Enjoy countryside's amenities and great location just a short distance to Grand Park, shopping in downtown Westfield.